Hey guys, as most of you will know, since May 2014 I've been doing a series of free enduro training vids on YouTube. These now have over 45,000 subscribers and 7 million views as of 2016. Some might say it takes quality content to achieve figures like that in 18 months. Really, it just shows the appalling taste of your average YouTube viewer and their capacity to tolerate dodgy videos. But first, a massive thanks to the many subscribers who have wanted to donate because you've been using the training vids, and I hope no one was offended because I politely refused. I never had any intention of earning money from these vids. I've always just enjoyed putting something back into the community, both in my paid employment and my hobbies. Unfortunately, the funding for my part-time position at our local Brain Injury Association has dried up, and many of you have been urging me to go full-time with the videos. Look, regardless of donations or not, I'll continue with the vids. It's just that I can make more of them and put a bit more time into them since I've been out of work. If you'd like to see that continue, then feel free to chip in. But it's not a case of, poor me, I'm out of work, give me a handout. I've got a simple lifestyle. I've got enough savings for a few months to see if I can make this work. One of the viewers, Keep Shoveling, suggested Patreon might be the way to go. I've checked out this mob thoroughly and it looks like an awesome way to support YouTube creators. Have a look and see what you think. So guys, if you want to help out, feel free to jump on board. But if you are struggling financially yourself, don't even think about it. Just make sure you stay afloat. Anyway, keep enjoying the vids, and to say thanks to supporters, I'll be doing a series of special release vids through the year, just to say, thanks a bundle.